All right, welcome back to Zach's Food Channel. Today we're going to look at garlic bread, but garlic bread made in the air fryer. Now, making garlic bread in the air fryer means that you don't have to heat your oven up and heat your house up, and it's a lot faster. And to start out, you need butter, 1 stick of butter, and 3 cloves of garlic. And you can stop there, and you'll have really amazing garlic bread. But we're going to add in some Parmesan cheese, about 1/4 cup. We're going to add in some mayonnaise, roughly 2 tablespoons, about as much as you want. And these are optional ingredients. You can add as much or as little as you want, about 2 tablespoons. A little bit of your favorite hot sauce, about 1 teaspoon. And a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. These are all just for added flavor. And we're going to add a little bit of dried thyme, about 1 teaspoon. Maybe a little bit more. Some dried oregano, about 1 teaspoon. And some parsley just to give it some more color. And we mix that around. Remember, any of those ingredients, you can leave any of them out or you can add all of them. It doesn't matter. This is all about flavor. Just make sure you mix it up really well. You want to bite into 100% hot sauce on your garlic bread. This isn't hot sauce bread. And once that's fully mixed, we're going to put it on our bread. Here we've got our bread. This is a French loaf. I cut this off of this here. And just put a big old bunch of it on here and spread it around. Make sure you get good coverage on here. Make sure you get garlic butter from edge to edge. You want every bite to have this garlic butter on it. Cut this one a little bit thicker than the other two. I didn't mean to do that, but it's not going to matter. All right. Next step is the air fryer. All right, so now it's time to put these in the air fryer. No need to preheat it. You're wasting your time by doing that. This thing heats up so fast that you don't need to do that. And we're gonna put this in here at 375 degrees for 7 minutes. All right, we'll let that go for 7 minutes. All right, and after 7 minutes, look at that. That looks wonderful. Wow. Let's get these out of here. Wow, look at that. Air fryer garlic bread. Let's try this. So garlicky and buttery, like it's getting all over my fingers. Well, there you have it, garlic bread in the air fryer. So easy, it didn't take very long at all. And you didn't heat the house up, didn't have to preheat the oven. So, if you like this video, please leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and goodbye.